Would you like to create full-featured, database-driven web apps like these with searching, sorting, filtering, pagination, and navigation, data entry pages, workflow pages for business processes, built-in reporting, and data exporting to Microsoft Word and Excel? And would you like to create these web apps in just minutes instead of days or weeks? Let me show you how with IronSpeed Designer.
A single click starts the application wizard, which takes you step by step through creating a new application. Best of all, you don't even need to be a programmer to use it. Start by selecting the page style you want. IronSpeed Designer has over 27 built-in page styles that you can use and modify. IronSpeed Designer generates database, reporting, and workflow applications for these popular databases. After selecting your database, pick the page types you want to generate. And IronSpeed Designer will create pages for each database table and view you choose. Finally, select the languages you want to include in your multilingual application. Plus a few other options, and you're all set. Click Finish, and IronSpeed Designer generates your application's web pages, code files, and stored procedures. A complete in-tier web application. And here's our working application. The live preview screen shows your actual application running against your database. The navigation links and other controls are all live. Use the Application Explorer at the left to select individual pages to display and edit. Now let's see how easy it is to customize page layout and configure application components. Switch to Design Mode, where all objects on your page are presented in an easy-to-use spreadsheet format. Simply use your mouse to drag and drop controls to rearrange your page. Use the right-click menus to insert, remove, and merge rows and columns. You don't need to know HTML or ASPX to customize the web page layout. Adding a data-bound control is a snap. The toolbox at the right shows fields, labels, and panels you can drag onto your page. IronSpeed Designer hooks everything up for you, no coding necessary. Switch back to Live Preview at any time to see your customized web page. You may be wondering how to configure code generation properties for individual controls. Just double-click a control to open the Properties dialog. For example, you can easily switch the control type from an editable text box to a display-only literal, and configure useful properties like conditional display and rich text editing. Now, if you want to be really sophisticated, you can change the look and feel of individual cells using the Cell Editor. Just use the convenient toolbar to modify font, color, alignment, and other properties. You want to add custom text, HTML or ASP? Just type it into the Cell Editor. IronSpeed Designer saves it for you and faithfully reproduces it when generating your application. Adding custom business logic is easy too. IronSpeed Designer identifies the most commonly used code methods for the selected control. Just click to see the generated code. Enter your code customization and you're done. IronSpeed Designer saves and preserves your customization no matter how many times you've changed the page. Detailed class and method documentation is just a click away.
There's plenty more to show, but that's enough to get started. You can always come back and view this video again. And our website has other, more advanced videos to help you get the most out of IronSpeed Designer. If you haven't already, go ahead and download IronSpeed Designer. You have nothing to lose except all the time you've spent hand coding.